Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jada. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, Jada. If you're new here, which you most likely are, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a little skincare routine. I actually just finished, so you guys can see. My skin's nice and shiny, and it looks nice and clean and put together. Yeah, but basically, like I was saying, we're just gonna go over a skincare routine. I'm gonna go over the basic steps of what you need to have nice, beautiful, healthy skin. If you don't particularly use any of these steps in your skincare routine and your skin is perfectly fine, then good for you. And if you have some breakouts and you're wondering probably why, then maybe you can just watch this video and learn something new. So, if you guys are curious to get any new skincare tips, tricks, or anything like that, then just keep on watching. Love you. Alright, sorry. Alright, so first thing when you're doing, when you're washing your face, unlike if you're in the shower, because if you're in the shower you don't need to necessarily do this step. First thing I always do when I'm just washing my face in the sink is wash my hands first, because you don't know what you touched and you don't want to transfer that literally all over your face, because then it's redundant to even wash your face. So yeah. Oh, and please forgive my lighting if it's a little bit off. My bathroom doesn't have the best lighting, so sorry. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet my face, and I'm going to go in with my Cetaphil cleanser. Okay. Rub it into your hands. And then rub it into your face. Cleanser. Cleansers basically penetrate your skin, help clean it, make it feel nice and new like a baby's bottom. So for me, I've been experimenting with different kinds. So I do this for like a minute. Make sure everything gets nice and in there, everywhere. Alright, so I rub that in for a while. And if you guys have like scrubbers, like Clarisonic. It's basically a brush that is automatic and it moves and everything like that, and it's self-timed, and you just scrub it on your face and it gets a little bit deeper than your hands can. Clarisonics, they can run almost like $100, but you can get something that's much cheaper. Just like get a simple little brush and just use it mechanically. It's literally the bristles that do all the work, so you don't need the whole mechanical part behind it. That's just, you know, a nice feature. So you can get a nice little bristled brush and just use that to get into your face so it can penetrate a little bit deeper, and you'll get like even better results for your skin. So go ahead and rinse this off, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now we're going in with toner. My Clean and Clear Essentials Deep Cleaning Toner. You can use that. You can use a generic brand of witch hazel. That's also a toner that you can use for your skin. It's also in the drugstore. So I just use a clean cotton swab, wet that a little bit, and I just use it to rub on your skin. To do toner, you really don't have to wait that long. After your cleanser is like washed off to put it on. Go on to a toner. Now toner helps balance the pH of your skin. So again, it's good for all skin types. I would even say especially acne prone. Let that soak into the skin And as that's soaking into the skin, we're going to grab our moisturizer. Now remember what I said about putting it on when your skin is still wet, you know, so it all still absorbs. Just let the toner settle in, you know, wave, fan yourself, something, do something. And then take your moisturizer, that's all you need. Rub that in to your skin. Oh, rub that in. Okay, then after I put on this moisturizer, so I'm gonna go into better light so that you guys can see my skin. Okie dokie. Alright guys, so I'm in my mom's room. Ooh, don't tell her. Don't tell her. Hi Quincy! Hi Quincy Boy!
Hi, baby. Hi, big man. I love you.
Sorry. I love my dog. Anyway, so yeah, my skin has a nice healthy glow to it, and everything. Nice and clean looking. Ready. It's ready for some makeup, sis. It's ready for some makeup. But you guys didn't ask for makeup today. You asked for a skincare video, so that's what you got. That's what you got. Alright guys, so if you guys enjoyed that video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment below, because I want to see what you guys learned today. Show me some love, man. Just let me know what you guys learned today. If you learned anything new. If you didn't learn anything new today, then that's fine too. But hey, we're just here to help each other out. So show your girls some love. I show you guys some love too. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias, which are below. They're all the same, _Nyéle_X3. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys with all my heart. Peace.